Lightning's still fairly close. You can see it to the east of us, though.
Please report previous tornadoes. Wind damage or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772. The tornado warning for southeastern Clark County has been canceled. The storm has moved into Miami County. Please report previous tornadoes. Wind damage or hail to the...
Well, at least they do that, you know, for people that do listen.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: southeastern Champaign, Clark, northern Greene, as of 8:45 p.m.